garingana wa garingana.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
The politics. I'm sure. Hopefully, we've learned a thing or two. International about Queen Man, but then there is a bigger issue that the reason for this show actually, why we have this show, is to address those things. The reason for this show, international, we want to document our voices. We want to document our I won't say struggles, but also our achievements, because we realize it's all over the place. Right. So what if we come to a place where we document and then speak about these things? Recently, you had an article that it's an opinion piece on a column. You spoke about some languages seem to be greater than other languages. So, me as an actor, I would say I've experienced that in my acting career.
Right.
Where I'll be told, what language is that? I'll be told, don't speak that language, speak English. Which I never understood, because wait a minute, I'm South African. Later I realized, wait a minute, it seems like indeed what you said. Seems like others are better than others. What could be that? Do you think the Verwoerd mission, we're still carrying it on? That we are not aware of ourselves to rectify what was done to us?
Yeah. Now, you see, there is not one single issue you can pinpoint that creates the problem. First, it's historical.
Okay.
Historical is what I was talking about. Apartheid, I endla leswaku loko misuka le makaya Basotho va fanele va tshama na Basotho, because the fact that there was intermarriages, for them it does not really matter anymore. So if I need take a Batsonga, Mitsama na Batsonga and all of that, Mitsama na Basotho, take a Msotho and all of that. So that was one thing. But look, Halen Majun, most of the townships around what was then the Transvaal, can go to Davidton, kuna le Basotho, kuna le Machangane, kuna le Mazulu. Because even when you are being moved from whether it's Old Roodepoort location or Old Binon location or from Pretoria, all they do is put no kambu wena ibalablashi imtsonga. Okay, so abukuru ayithamele swin'we so se ni fanele ku hiya Atterisville mina va ta va ni veka la ku nga vekiwa Vatsonga kona. You see, because that's what we have, it means un'wana na un'wana I kula a tiva ku ri hi hina hi hambanile na lavaya. Yes, and in a sense, depending on who were in charge,
Of course.
so you'll find that generally Basotho, Batsonga, Bavenda, Mandebele, and all of those, balanguteriwa ehas. So it's not just Xitsonga.
Of course, yes.
Kuna vanhu kuma leswaku ri I Mandebele vale Pipirast, what do we call it, Amkopane.
Yes.
Vana va vona va dyondza Sotho ku ri leswaku vona I Mandebele. Kumbe I kuma leswaku va le Mpumalanga vana va vona va dyondza Xiswazi ku leswaku I Vatsonga and vice versa. U kuma leswaku, I mean, just take loko languta buku liya yi nga tsala hi Mzilikazi ya Nothing But to Eat, right? If you check, in almost all of his chapters, u sungula hi swo karhi hi Xitsonga, hi nhlokomhaka yo karhi hi Xitsonga, right? But Xitsonga xakwe xa phewa, not for anything ku ri no a nga lavi ku vulavula Xitsonga, is because ila anga abarkon. Whereas Matthew's post at Malaswaku Shakwe, Shiti Nyana Kutlashaye, and says she and I didn't now,
Of course.
so that's one. But Shabumbiri, it's societal. You see, the way you build a nation, you use radio,
Of course.
you use television, you use art, you use music.
Yes.
Propaganda.
So if you take now, it does not matter whether GT, Gito Baloy, I know, Ingwen, Paul Gove, Ingwen, Jeff Maluleke, Ingwen, and all of those, right? Because they follow the versatility of their music. But ungemulandeleli shinyori unless urumsuthu wala ka yena kumbe mvenda wala ka yena because it's deep. It's deep Xitsonga.
Yes, yes.
You see? So, and it's also historical. Maswan. So kuna that thing. So the key issue leyi ni vulavulaka hi yona layani hileswaku mfumo wu fanele wu va wona wu rhangaka emahlweni wu ku one aka radio yi tshamisekile because kuna community radios ta Xitsonga ta tindzimi tin'wani plus kuna Munghana Lonene. What we need to do ka Munghana Lonene is to ensure kuri as much as they can va vulavula Xitsonga xo hlantsweka.
Yes.
Right? Now, people sometimes confuse ririmi and dialect.
Yes.
You understand? Now, dialect is different, right? Ni nga vulavula Xirhonga, u nga vulavula Xichangani, ni vulavula Xinhlangano, ni vulavula Xin'walungu, ni vulavula Xitshwa, ni vulavula Xiluleke, ma twisisi. Kambe standardized language is Xitsonga as in writing, right? But so we tend to sometimes focus more on what distinguishes us being Kurino. You see, I don't know Mako. Abalkona bakankuna. Babalabala Hlave.
Yes.
Barley. Ingakona ye. And then ukuma leswaku bakona kwala mara babalabula kufana swimina vulavula kuswona. Ku nga more or less Xinhlangano. You know? Loko ya ka mhalaka va Malamulele u ta kuma leswaku loko hina hi ku xinkwa vona va ta ku xikwa. It does not mean ku ri no a hi Vatsonga and all of that. It's simply dialect na mavulavulelo. It just depends ku ri hi kulele kwihi. So there is that. So government have got the responsibility kwala. But secondly, the Pan South African Language Board yi na responsibility ya leswaku yi fanele yi langutisa leswaku hikokwalaho ka yini ku ri hava ti-telenovela ta tindzimi tin'wanyana and say okay, let's create that space because you learn by what you hear and what you see.
That's true.
And speaking, sorry to disturb, speaking of you learning what you hear and see,
Yeah.
there's a scene we did at Guyana where we did certain marital practices. He wrote it actually. We were in a position where people were saying, but no, it's Zulu challenge. While, but wait a minute, because you have not seen it so much on TV, it's when it's brought up of Zulu side, you end up thinking, actually, if that's what you're saying, if you don't see and hear constantly, it creates a division and it becomes a problem.
Yes, you also have that. But also, na you see, amatshangen yo ni ku no tinjhovo mikhupula na yinini swa Vatsonga hi leswi hi tirhisa swin'wana na swin'wana. u kuma ku ri ematshan'wini ya ku va hi tirhisa swihakaboyi leswi a va tirhisa swona, hi tirhisa leswi hi swi xavaka hala ka mayimayi. Ma swisisi? Ematshan'wini yo hi vekela mubodi, hi vekela leswi swi vekeriwaka hi tinxaka tin'wana. Yes. Swi kona swa Vatsonga. I kuma leswaku va tirhisa na tinsiva ta swihloni ta swinungu, ma swi vona?
Most of the people,
Yeah.
most of the people have really kept our cultural customs in movement.
Yes.
And traditional, we do have it in bulk.
Yes.
In,
You see?
there's such
Yes. So, but so the point is this. So, culture evolves,
Of course.
so that's also important.
Yes.
Tradition also evolves.
And you can't deny that.
Yes. But it's important that culture evolving does not substitute our culture.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.